Hey, how's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you have a Honda CRF300 Rally and you're interested in changing your air filter, then stick around, that'll show to you the step-by-step. Now, just a few comments in here if you want to know the model that I'm installing. This is an air filter of foam, so it's a foam air filter from TYRE. The reason for it, I'm pretty sure, and this has happened to me, the original air filter, which is made of paper, gets clogged quite easily with dust. So if you're going to be taking off-road environments with dust, I do recommend that you change for a foam filter. We're going to start by removing the seat, and for this you're going to need a 6mm hex key. Have one of these bolts, one on each side. Now just be careful that there's a flange in here, so you want to get this flange out, and do the same on the opposite side. To get the seat out, you're going to lift now from the back and then push it backwards. You'll notice that on this side of the motorcycle you have a plastic pin retainer, and there's a dot here in the middle, so if you press right in the center, then you unlock it and then you can pull it out with your fingers. Now I'm going to remove this screw using a 5mm hex key. And you should be able to wiggle out the side cover with your hands. So there's a pin in here, you pull it. There's another one around here, so you also pull it in here. And now this part you disconnect, just wiggle it and you'll see how to get it out. Now here's the airbox cover. So you need a Phillips head screw bit. By the way, all of the tools that you see me using here, they are available at royamoto.com. We have a toolkit specifically designed for the CRF300 Rally. So if you're looking for a set of tools and a nice bag specifically designed to cover motorcyclist needs, then take a look at royamoto.com/toolkits. Now, back to the video. To remove the original filter, you're going to pull out on these two tabs. Now let's install the twin air filters the same way. There are two tabs in here, and these two tabs, they have to fit inside. So when you look at the airbox, you'll see there are two slits in there. That's where these matching tabs have to go. Then, once you're ready, you just push them in, the two tabs, like this. Check that the foam is making full contact against the airbox. So it should be tightly fit and not wiggling anywhere. Put the cover back on. Now, important for these screws, you're screwing here on plastic, so the torque is quite low, and you want to start very lightly so the screw threads in correctly. All of these screws you can tighten them by hand. There is no need to apply a high torque. Now let's reinstall the side cover. You have two pins in here, and these two pins need to line up on these sections on your motorcycle. Before doing that, I'm going to attach this part first, just makes it easier. And then I push them in. Let's reinstall the bolt of the side cover. Once again, that's not a high torque bolt, just hand tight using a ratchet. Reinstall the plastic pin. Let's put the seat back on. Start with the flange, followed by the screw. Do the same on the opposite side. And that's pretty much everything. It should take you 5 to 10 minutes to get this job done. Hope you got some value out of the video, and I see you on the next one. Bye bye, guys.